These industrial heaters are used at factories, construction sites, garages, workshops, and other places where temporary localized heat is needed. Heaters are electric fan-forced and have finned tubular heating elements positioned in front of the fan unit to provide even distribution of heat. Electric heaters eliminate combustion byproducts associated with fuel-fired heaters and generate clean, odor-free heat. Heaters are solidly manufactured for long-lasting durability and dependability. Industrial Salamander heaters gradually raise and maintain room temperature to keep you comfortable while working. These electric fan-forced heaters are available as portable or mounted style units. Portable units roll easily on 10-inch axle-mounted wheels. The tubular steel frame with ergonomic handle allows tilt adjustments with rotation stop. The 10-kilowatt portable model includes an 8-foot-long 240-volt cord. Access panel allows direct wiring connections on all additional units, and optional 25-foot-long power cables are available and sold separately. Available in single and three-phase units. Voltages are 208 volts, 240 volts, and 480 volts. Mounted-style electric heater units include a dual-mount bracket and hardware to install the Salamander to either a wall or ceiling. Yoke mounts allow for both vertical and horizontal swivel positioning. Heaters are UL listed. Temperature rise ranges, BTUs, dimensions, and heating coverage areas vary per model. Visit globalindustrial.com today for all of your heating equipment and supply needs.